Welcome to the future of customer service automation. Meet Cognigy Agentic AI, a groundbreaking leap forward in AI technology that redefines how companies engage with customers. Agentic AI isn't just another chatbot. It's powered by advanced reasoning capabilities using large language models, allowing AI agents to think, adapt, and collaborate, just like human agents. Unlike conventional bots, Cognigy's AI agents dynamically adjust responses based on real-time input. With cognitive reasoning, they break down complex tasks and chart the fastest path to resolution, ensuring no dead ends. These agents aren't limited to just text-based interactions. They provide a seamless omnichannel experience with fully customizable voice profiles, making every customer interaction consistent and engaging. Agentic AI taps into enterprise knowledge, data specific to your organization, such as FAQs, product details, and policy information. This knowledge can be general, covering basic company policies, or specific to specialized roles, ensuring responses are always accurate and aligned with your business needs. Memory functions personalize interactions. Short-term memory ensures seamless conversations, while long-term memory recalls details from past interactions or stated preferences, creating a tailored experience for every user. Agentic AI's actions capabilities allow agents to execute tasks such as updating records, triggering API calls, or completing bookings. These actions enable seamless task completion and smooth transitions between agents or escalation to human representatives. Cognigy's dynamic framework allows businesses to assign specific roles to any agent persona. Whether a single agent manages multiple tasks or distinct agents specialize in areas like billing or support, this modular setup evolves with your business needs. Advanced collaboration features allow AI agents to work together or escalate tasks to human agents when needed. With shared memory, transitions feel smooth and natural, delivering a unified customer experience. Agentic AI is not just an add-on, it integrates seamlessly with the entire Cognigy.ai platform. With composite AI, enterprises blend agentic, autonomous decision-making with traditional flow-based interactions within a single conversation. You can start with an intuitive, AI-driven experience and switch to structured workflows as needed, all without the user noticing a change. This hybrid approach ensures success across scenarios. For standardized and compliant processes, like reporting a medication side effect, a structured workflow is ideal. For unpredictable tasks, like outbound calls, an agentic approach excels. Cognigy Agentic AI isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in how contact centers operate. Join us in transforming customer experiences and unlocking the future of automation. To learn more, click on the link in the description below.